When you walk into KIS, you instantly feel in the air the creativity and the constructivity of the place. Just this vibe hits you, and it's just so inspiring.
Students are well-rounded, they're internationally minded, they're well-prepared for university.
The friends, they're all really kind. When you want to play with someone, they always say yes and that you join. And the environment is really good for the school, the kids and stuff.
In KIS, the teachers are always there to help you. For example, let's say in IB chemistry. IB chemistry is a very demanding subject. And so with a small class in KIS, we have the opportunity to talk to our chemistry teacher and get a lot of feedback.
The community is really what holds KIS together, and it also helps a lot in the learning, which is obviously provided by the IB course. IB is really rigorous, but it still ties in with community and the ideals of KIS.
We found the IB curriculum is really good, and especially for our children, it was very good in the sense that it allows the child to explore and do things the way he or she wants to, yet it makes them study in a very systematic way. But we like the creativity, we like the way it allows you to think, research.
Now, the IB diploma gives you the chance to practice both skills, whether that's analyzing, reading texts, and then you also practice memorizing and learning and understanding new concepts and ideas.
In addition to the subject areas, it focuses on students' critical thinking and also their what we call the approaches to learning skills. So those are things like their collaboration skills and how well they work together, or their communication skills, or things like their information literacy and their research skills.
We want the children to have the skills which enable them to be inquirers and investigators, so we're developing the skills along with the knowledge and the attitudes. We want children to be empathetic, we want them to have appreciation, we want them to be curious, and that's all part of how we develop our units of inquiry. We want the children to think, choose, and reflect on what they're doing with their learning. So taking the learning outside of the classroom, applying their understanding is really what action is about.
The IB program is well recognized by universities in the US, the UK, Thailand, and other countries and other educational systems. They recognize that students have completed a very rigorous program, whether they've done the full diploma or simply taken a few IB courses along the way. So it's a preparation for students that allows them to be successful at the university level.
The IB diploma is challenging, it's tough, it's very demanding, but then if you can overcome those challenges, take the risk and reap the rewards, it's a very rewarding experience.